Shing, a former student of Wycliffe Bennett, and then the incomparable Munair Zacca will be performing here this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, could you help me welcome Ruth Shing with another excerpt from the book.
Marjorie Wiley was born in a small middle-class enclave known as the Beechwood Avenue, Collins Green area. On Collins Green Avenue were dancer Hugh Morrison and his siblings, musicians Roy Morrison and Flo Armstrong. Across the street and just around the corner were the Barretts, Nadine, Elaine and Jean, all musically inclined. Now, at the top of Beechwood Avenue were the Myrie daughters, whose father was a piano tuner. Miss Brenda Smythe was on Halfway Tree Road, and just around the corner was Miss Ina Helps, both well-known voice and piano teachers. There were also the Blondel Francis sisters, one of whom became known for speech and drama, and the other for ballet. Of the nearby Lumsden brothers, one went into radio. Close by were also Joyce Johns and Mrs. Packer, both voice and piano teachers. Mrs. Packer's two daughters, Valerie and Allison, were among the island's top elocutionists. You could say Collins Green Avenue was a veritable learning center. Oh yes, there was also Peter Hudson on the sax with Mapletoft Poole, who played in the big band for ladies of quality at the Glass Bucket Club. Poole took Jamaican music into that sphere. He produced an LP called Jamaica Mento, which set standards for other arrangers to follow. Poole worked with the pantomime for many years. He brought legitimacy to local church music with his folk mass, and he also set psalms and canticles to music. How do you react to dancehall music? Well, I do not dismiss dancehall out of hand. You see, there are performers like Luciano, Tony Rebel, and Buju Banton. Now, here are fine artists who carry a melody with intelligence, who couch their concerns about the ills of society in music, hoping to solve problems. As I have said, there is intelligence and melody in their songs. However, there is another kind of dancehall artist who is listenable and danceable, but without much substance. And there is a third kind who put rhythm scores together with little musical value. They create a rhythm and 10 to 12 artists sing over it. This melodic pattern appeals to the pelvic area and the feet. Now, this group needs to get other parts of the body also responding. The length of time their sessions last to 4 and 5 o'clock in the morning is also damaging to the body. Dancehall has its good and its bad features. Some artists are very good, some are mediocre, and some appeal to baseness in the society. The researcher now has to search among the dregs to find the gems. What of the splendor of Bob Marley? Oh, Toots and the Maytals, Dennis Brown also. You know, when Marley died, his music played for a whole day on radio, and for the first time I listened critically to the harmonic complexity, the use of backing voices and phrases. Oh, I heard Redemption Song on the radio in Germany. Yes, artists sing his songs, orchestras arrange his works. Jamaican music is worldwide. Dancehall has been translated into Spanish. In Panama 2 years ago, I heard Spanish arrangements of dancehall. What about Suriname, the Dutch islands? Well, Jamaican music is very strong, going back to Marley. It is widespread throughout the Caribbean. 2 years ago in Trinidad, I heard Jamaican music blaring. and on inquiring, learned that Trinidadian children won't go on a maxi taxi which does not play loud Jamaican music. Reggae has taken over from calypso. Soca fuels fetes in Jamaica. Soca goes well with dance hall, the garments in particular. So, how did your interest in popular music come about? Okay, I was exposed to popular music through my big brother, Dwight, when he was at the JBC, and he started to record Jamaican music for such shows as Jamaica Hit Parade and Teenage Dance Party. I also met some overseas performers when he organized shows at the Regal Cinema, where he emceed or interviewed them. Then there was also the JBC Orchestra with Bertie King, Carlos Malcolm, and Sonny Bradshaw. Sonny Bradshaw organized a workshop at a house beside Champion House at the corner of Lyndhurst Road and Maxfield Avenue. Sonny Bradshaw taught me jazz harmony. Tony Mowat taught me vibes. Miss Louise Bennett Coverley, introduced me to folk music. She was very generous with her material. She told me where to go, what to look for, and how to approach people. You have to give first, and they will give after. She was the conduit.
I look in, I. So where I there? I know up so, up UW, Then what I do a master's. I science, the science them. Then you now teach down the Ulmas again. No, I stopped teach down at that high school. The man that did want tell I that I had to Then where I go now? I go down at GSC, go look a job. Seeing I, love I, bless I. What, brother? Nothing. What? Nothing. No, nothing yet. You hold on. Yeah, hold on. Where you hold on for? Nothing. Just a hold on. I look too tough. I want to go down, sir. Yeah, down, sir. Where I go down, sir, for nothing. Just I go down. I hold on. You see spree? No. Oh. Hold on. What? Them not catch him? Yeah, what for? If you look too when? Yesterday, where? Down so rotted. When they not there, where? Up there. Rotted. Spree out. Spree. It must I look too. I look too tough. How long now I look too? I look too long. Hold on, what? Where's spree woman? Which one? The last one. Oh, Big Jill. Yeah, Big Jill. She a breed. Yeah. I feel a time going come. Forget too, long time, too long. You ever smoke? Stop smoke. Since when? When? What? When? So not, yes. Rotted. What you doing? Now hold on. What for? Till I get two, make me walk, man. What for? For nothing? Suppose what? Nothing. You know what? What? You know what we want to do? What? We want to something. You want to something like what? Anything? What for? Just to do something. Like spree? No, not like spree. Then catch spree. Oh. So not, yes, rotted. Oh, the missus. She not there. She a look bread. So them say, who them? Them? Oh, them, that says so. Me think me gone. Me not think. Me gone. You know? What? Nothing.
Do not try that in a public space. Them bound for lock you up. Say, look to, you're mad. Put your hands together one more time for Munair Zacca. Do you know who wrote that piece? Do you know who wrote that piece? Nobody in this theater knows? Trevor Owen, indeed. Only Trevor would write something like that. And I can see him just sit down and look too. Right, and before that, of course, Ruth Shing, another of the babies for Wycliffe Bennett. Now, we are all now so arthritic, some of us.